So every once in a while I come across a killer deal on eBay, and you know, I don't really have good luck with you know, used stuff on eBay. But recently, you know, the past 2 years I've been having so-so. Like, you know, I buy most of these power tools on eBay because I can get them for a fraction of the cost. I don't know if people buy them and realize that, you know, maybe they spent money when they couldn't have and wanted their money back out of it, which doesn't make any sense to me because, like, this one was like $800 new. I literally picked it up for like 300 bucks. So I don't know, maybe they needed to make their rent payment, no clue. But anyway, I picked this guy up. These are like over $300. This is what I paid for it right here, $160 used. Now, looking at it, there's nothing like screwed up about it, you know. No bent pins, even like where the plug is here, has a sticker on it. Like, he obviously used it, hooked it up, cut it, but that's the part that's supposed to be cut. So we're going to take this out to the work truck. This is the only thing that has an LS engine in it that I own that runs. We're going to hook it up and see if I got burned or if it's good. If it's good, you know, I got to leave this guy a feedback. So, you know, if it works, I'll leave him good feedback. If not, I'm going to shout at him and be like, dude, what's up? But, you know, when you buy used stuff on eBay, you know, sometimes you get the shaft when something don't work. So let's go hook this up in the truck and see what it does. So this thing's fairly simple to hook up. You take your pin out here that locks these in place, and you're disconnecting the factory harness to the ignition coils. Then all this thing really does is just like intercepts it. And you do this on both sides. You go do the other side. And that's it. The last thing we got to do is put power to that wire, to this. So this wire takes 12 volts positive to activate it. This wire takes a ground to activate it. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm just testing it. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to start the truck and warm it up because I don't want to do this on a cold engine. So let me warm it up quick. All right, well, I had this all backwards. So the blue wire, which I thought was positive to turn it on, and the white one and with the blue line, which was negative to turn on, is backwards. So I got on Summit Racing's website, and you know, this is of course I can't zoom this in or out. Okay, anyway, tells you here, you know, on their instructions what to do. So what I did was I went to the blue and white wire and found a 12 volt power in here, and just stuffed it in there. And this box is set to about 2800 RPM to, yeah, 2800 RPM. So let's start it up and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Of course the sun's glaring. Let me take this out of the holder. There we go. Okay, so I got it all hooked up and working. Let's see, about 2800 it should start pissing off the catalytic converters. It seems to work. Okay, let me find a little screwdriver. We'll change the RPM and just to verify it. All right, let's change it to like 1500 RPM. So this is the thousands and this is the hundreds. So this is at 2. Just switch this to 1, and this one's at 8. So we'll switch it to 5. That's 4. There we go. And the light is on, so we know we're getting power to it. Okay, so it should go to 1500 RPM and start spitting and sputtering. I finally got something off of, well, I can't say finally. Those impact guns that I've been buying, they've been working pretty good. But I finally got like a car part, a used car part off of Amazon, not Amazon, eBay, that I didn't get stiffed on. So I'm going to give this guy a good review, and we're going to be using this on the turbo LS truck. This is going to help the turbo spool for, you know, boogieing. I was going to use it on another project I got going on, but I found out that the ignition box that I'm going to use for that by MSD has it built in, so I don't need it, which is the whole reason why I bought this to begin with. So I got a little bonus here. So I'm a little stoked about it. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.